Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must be signed into the same Apple ID and have iCloud Keychain switched on. This protects and syncs passwords. Once confirmed, unlock your device with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode so the system can reveal credentials. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap Passwords. On Mac, open System Settings or System Preferences and choose Passwords. Do this now. It's the only supported path Apple provides to view your synced keychain entries. Once in the passwords screen, use the search bar and type the site, app name, or account to narrow results quickly. Tap or click an entry to open its detail view. The app will usually require you to authenticate again with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. After authentication, the username and password fields become visible, and you can copy or edit them. Make changes only if you know the correct credentials. Changes sync across devices via iCloud. To finish, review any exposed credentials, copy them securely, or update as needed. Then exit the passwords view so the screen returns to lock state. If items aren't appearing, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle iCloud Keychain off and on. Make sure you have a backup before changes. If you're blocked by repeated authentication prompts, confirm your device passcode and two-factor authentication are active. This method is the supported, secure way to view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.